If you arrived in this video, it is because you want to know more about the Red Boost. Then I have some very important notices. So pay close attention to what I have to tell you. Before that, let me introduce myself. Hello, I'm Carlos Product. After many people on social networks asked me about Red Boost, I decided to record this video and go deeper into the investigations. I asked doctors, experts, nutritionists, forums, and many people who are already taking Red Boost, so I have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Red Boost is, be careful with the website you will buy the product, because the Red Boost is only sold on the official website, and as I like to save money, I immediately to guarantee the discounts. And to help you, I left the discount link, the official website, here below in the description of this video for you to access safely. Now I'll explain what Red Boost. What is Red Boost? Red Boost is a dietary supplement that helps enhance blood flow. It is a formula that has been created for enhancing male sexual health. It is a supplement different from others as it eliminates one of the root causes of poor sexual performance, which is oxidative stress. It helps improve smooth muscle function and therefore helps in improving your performance. It will help in achieving harder and longer-lasting erections and will help in regaining the stamina you had in your younger years. It will help in improving your energy levels to a great extent and will unlock a new level of sex drive. Along with this, it will help improve overall health and will help in boosting your confidence. Red Boost is a 100% natural supplement, and the best 5 natural extracts have been added to the supplement. It may not cause any dangerous side effects as it is a natural supplement. The ingredients in Red Boost, therefore, target blood flow to improve sexual health. Red Boost helps improve your overall health as well. When the blood flow is increased to your penile chambers and the retention ability is strengthened, nothing can stop you from having great erections. The Red Boost supplement is designed to help you have long-lasting rock-hard erections. The supplement works best and gives permanent results within 3 to 6 months. Most men explain how they've been able to improve their sexual health naturally with Red Boost. This beneficial supplement has many pros. It helps in increasing fertility. It helps improve performance. It boosts stamina. The list of ingredients and their benefits is on the official website. So yes, you can trust this product. Also, for Red Boost to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and you'll really get a little frustrated. There are many people having great results with Red Boost, and you can have results too. Something very important is that Red Boost has a warranty and you can actually test the product, and if for some reason you don't like it, they return your money. It is also important to know that Red Boost is totally natural and has no side effects. Red Boost is really good. If you are thinking of using, can use without fear, because I am sure you will have a good result with it. Just be careful on the site where you will buy so as not to end up harming your health with counterfeit products. To help you, I left here in the description of this video the official website of Red Boost, guaranteed for you access. My suggestion, if you like to save and in addition, do the complete treatment, is to take. I hope I helped you with that information. See you later.